Welcome, children, 45-year-old men watching this. Today we're making Christmas ornaments for the tree. The Christmas tree. This is my working space. It's okay, I'm only gonna do a piece at a time, a piece, as if this is art or something. This is a good thickness, look at that. Thick. It works, it's good. You see this one? It broke because it's too thin. I used two different types of clay. One of them is white clay, and the other one was natural color. It's not a big difference at all. I don't think he wants to stay here. Maybe this one wants to stay here. Now, if I was productive, I would just do this to all of them, but I don't want to do that. Brown. Or should I make it look like a cookie, actually? I'm just gonna paint it. I'm just gonna paint it and we'll see. Let's paint this. I'm thinking red and gold. Red and gold. Yes? I'm gonna use gouache. It's gonna be okay.
It wasn't okay.
I want a small brush. Okay. A thin brush. Small, thin. What the hell? One side looks beautiful, the other side looks busted. Okay. Okay. I like it, Picasso. I like it. Oh my god. That's ugly. That's ugly. It's a ball. It's gonna be a ball.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
It's okay. I can fix this. I can... Yes. Be my baby. Under pressure. It's cute. I like it. I'm proud of it. It looks handmade, for sure, because it's crooked. But I like it. I'll wear it like a tattoo.
Foi mais fácil fazer estas coisinhas ou as bolachas?
As coisinhas.
Frosty the Snowman.
Um sapo! O que eu faço?
Deixa assim!
Pronto, agora é um sapo.
Até 15 de janeiro, só em pccomponentes.pt.
How do I say this? We're a very environmentally friendly family. That is a branch from the tree outside. Well, one of the trees. There's at least 10 trees outside. So that's how we make our Christmas tree. Does it look good? No? It looks ugly. Rate how ugly? 1 being really ugly, 10 being pretty. You know, I would prefer having a pretty tree, but honestly, it's just so silly. It looks so, it's kind of funny. It's kind of funny, and so it kind of fits my character, not gonna lie.